When we study our Catholic faith, we do not merely concern ourselves to the ideals of our profession, the sacraments and sacramentals, our moral life, but we also see what is happening in the spiritual reality of our faith. Exorcists would say that this is the hardest battle that we all face, not only them, but all of us face. The battle of the spiritual world, where evil is present and can even possess humanity with much strength. Kahit po ba may gantong katotohanan sa ating pananampalataya at sa ating buhay, hindi natin sasabihin na lagi tayong talo o lagi tayong kinakawawa o kawawa naman dahil laging may kasamaan sa buhay natin. But no, in the thirst for evil to be powerful, God will continue to make His power top one and the best of all. Totoong may kasamaan, pero mas totoo ang kapangyarihan ng Diyos sa buhay na ito. Jesus faces us with this reality in today's gospel. Much as evil wanted to triumph, pero doon po siya nagkakamali. Dahil sa una pa lamang, tapos na ang kasamaan. Mas makapangyarihan ang Diyos. And you know, this is something that we wish to remind ourselves. Because our eyes may be so open to the presence of evil today. Bukas ang mga mata natin sa corruption, to less consideration of people, to disrespect of human life and to humanity in general, to simple courtesy over all things, to evil in its many faces. But it seems that we are blinded to this finger of God present always. Baka mas interesado lang tayong tignan ang kasamaan at hindi na tignan ang kapangyarihan ng Diyos na titigil at tatahimik sa mga bagay na ito. We might be enjoying evil, not anymore the power of God. We might wish to entertain only the evil present, but we won't anymore make room for the power of God in our lives. We celebrate today the feast of St. John the 23rd. And in his journal, St. John the 23rd would always do this daily act before going to bed. He knew very well the dangers and the perils around the Catholic Church. But you know, whenever he would before going to bed, he would stare at the St. Peter's Basilica or maybe around Rome and extend his blessing to the city and to the world and would pray, Lord, this is your church, bless and protect it. He knew that evil is true, but he knew all the more that God can bless us even greater. May kasamaan pero may panlaban tayo. May kadiliman pero mga anak tayo ng kaliwanagan. May pasakit pero may grasya tayo ng Diyos sa buhay na ito. Yes, there is evil, there is an enemy, but let us keep that faith to the one who loves us and to that one who cares for us. Totoo man na gusto tayong idapa at ipahamak ng kasamaan, may Diyos naman na malakas at may Diyos na patuloy magbabasbas.